Hey, my name is Hector, and I'm going to be talking about co-op responsibilities. So, roles and responsibilities. I'm going to be covering teachers, students, and supervisors. Teacher's role. The responsibilities of teachers include assisting students on selecting a placement. This could be matching students with a placement of their choice or something similar to what they want to do in the future. The teachers also assist students in completing the placement assessment guidelines, and also they support students with work or anything they need within co-op, or also the supervisor, which could be evaluating the student on how they're doing at the placement. They also help to integrate workplace experience with curriculum expectations, like asking the students to do personal evaluations or any reflections. They also monitor the students within the classroom and also going to the placement and doing surveys with them. Evaluating them could mean doing tests or also the reflections. And these are all overall assignments that teachers assign to the students. Moving on to the student's role. Behaving and working safely and diligently at the placement and in class, which is expected by both teachers and supervisors. Have initiative and achieve maximum learning. So when you're at your placement or in class, you should always ask if there's anything for you to do and always make sure that you make the most out of your time. This will help you learn the most and make yourself have a great experience at co-op. Completing assignments and timesheets all fall under organization. This is because you have to do both of them in an orderly fashion, and they both heavily affect your grade. Timesheets are also marked, but timesheets affect how many hours you actually get if they are submitted on time, and not having enough hours could lead to not getting both credits, and this could affect your future, or also the grade ahead of you, and what you have to do next year. Following rules of the workplace and school board is widely known by everybody. But what you have to know is that you always have to make sure that you're safe at your workplace and also understand the rules and regulations they have. And same for the school board. Next up, I would like to move on to the supervisor's role. The supervisor's role is to interview and decide on if they want to accept the student or students. And if they decide to accept, what they have to do is provide real work experience in the category or field that the students are in, and also give them a safe environment to work in without health or safety hazards. And that's why they have to go through safety training. They also work alongside teachers to develop the students' PPLP, which is the Personalized Placement Learning Plan. Giving instructions and supervising the work of the students is something else the supervisors do, and this could be sharing their expertise and showing them the ins and outs of the job. Assisting in assessment also means that they help the teacher evaluate the students as they see the students every co-op placement and also tell them about the progress that they are making. After committing to co-op this year, I've learned that you can explore many career paths depending on what section or what field you went into. You can also develop new skills while building a network with your coworkers at the placement. You can apply in-school learning to your workplace. An example that I can give is after using Excel spreadsheets at school, I've learned that using it is really simple, and applying it to my workplace is that I use it to calculate donations and also separate them into different categories and making sure they're organized and ready to be sent off. Also, this helps me to enhance my resume as it can build references and also add on to what I've done as a job or my co-op. Realization of my passion. It also helps me define what I really enjoy doing and also gives me the opportunity to discover new interests. This is just some of the things that I find really interesting within this co-op program. Overall, everyone has a responsibility. I've learned that there are many things people have to do to ensure that this program runs smoothly, but in the end of it, there are many benefits that come out of it, and it's really interesting to me. And I think it's a really good way to invest time to decide on what you want to do in the future and not have it mixed up when you're choosing your pathway after high school. Thank you for listening to my tutorial.